Hey, curious minds! Welcome back! Can you guess what money people use in places like Latvia, the Maldives, or Namibia? Let's put your brain to the test and learn some fun facts along the way. Ready to play? Let's go! Question 121. What is the currency of Latvia? The correct answer is euro, EUR. Latvia adopted the euro in 2014, replacing the Latvian lats. Question 122. What is the currency of Lebanon? It's the Lebanese pound, LBP. Also known as the lira, it has been Lebanon's currency since 1939. Question 123. What is the currency of Lesotho? It's the Loti, LSL. The Loti is pegged to the South African rand, and both are used in the country. Question 124. What is the currency of Liberia? It's the Liberian dollar, LRD. Liberia is one of the few African countries that uses the dollar. Question 125. What is the currency of Libya? It's the Libyan dinar, LYD, introduced in 1971 to replace the pound. Question 126. What is the currency of Liechtenstein? The Swiss franc, CHF. Although not part of Switzerland, Liechtenstein uses the Swiss franc. Question 127. What is the currency of Lithuania? It's the euro, EUR. Lithuania adopted the euro in 2015, joining the Eurozone. Question 128. What is the currency of Luxembourg? The euro, EUR. Luxembourg is one of the founding members of the Eurozone. Question 129. What is the currency of Madagascar? It's the Ariary, MGA, one of the few currencies not based on a decimal system. Question 130. What is the currency of Malawi? The kwacha, MWK. The name kwacha means dawn in Chichewa. Question 131. What is the currency of the Maldives? It's the rufiyaa, MVR, introduced in 1981, replacing the Maldivian rupee. Question 132. What is the currency of Mali? The West African CFA franc, XOF, shared with 7 other West African nations. Question 133. What is the currency of Malta? It's the euro, EUR. Malta switched to the euro in 2008. Question 134. What is the currency of the Marshall Islands? The US dollar USD. The country uses the dollar officially without having its own currency. Question 135. What is the currency of Mauritania? The Uguaya, MRU. It's one of only 2 non-decimal currencies in the world. Question 136. What is the currency of Mauritius? The Mauritian rupee, MUR. Not to be confused with the Indian rupee. Question 137. What is the currency of Niue? The New Zealand dollar, NZD. Like the Cook Islands, Niue uses New Zealand dollars through an agreement with New Zealand. Question 138. What is the currency of Turkmenistan? The Turkmen Manat, TMT. Reintroduced in 1993 after independence from the Soviet Union. Question 139. What is the currency of Micronesia? The US dollar USD. Like many Pacific nations, it uses the US dollar officially. Question 140. What is the currency of Moldova? The Moldovan leu, MDL. Introduced in 1993 after the fall of the Soviet Union. Question 141. What is the currency of Monaco? The Euro, EUR. Monaco is not in the EU, but it uses the Euro through an agreement with France. Question 142. What is the currency of Mongolia? The Tugrik, MNT. Introduced in 1925, it features famous Mongolian leaders and wildlife. Question 143. What is the currency of Montenegro? It's the Euro, EUR. Interestingly, Montenegro uses the Euro even though it's not in the EU or Eurozone. Question 144. What is the currency of Dominica? The East Caribbean dollar, XCD, shared with 7 other island nations in the Eastern Caribbean. Question 145. What is the currency of Mozambique? The Mozambican Medical, MZN, one of the youngest currencies in Africa, reissued in 2006. Question 146. What is the currency of Myanmar? ICAT, MMK, introduced in 1952, following independence from Britain. Question 147. What is the currency of Namibia? The Namibian dollar, NAD, pegged to the South African rand, which is also accepted in Namibia. Question 148. What is the currency of Nauru? The Australian dollar, AUD. Nauru does not issue its own money. Australian dollars is the official currency. Question 149. What is the currency of Nepal? The Nepalese rupee, NPR, pegged to the Indian rupee, and features Mount Everest on many notes. Question 150. What is the currency of the Netherlands? The euro, EUR. The Netherlands replaced its guilder with the euro in 2002. Question 151. What is the currency of New Zealand? The New Zealand dollar, NZD, often nicknamed the Kiwi dollar after the national bird. And that's a wrap, world explorers! You just traveled through over 30 countries and learned what money they use. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. And remember, learning about the world is like collecting treasure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a chance to get smarter. See you in the next adventure. Bye for now.